Hey yo, it's me, Amy here. Another Imperfect Foods unboxing. The box is too heavy, so I'm not putting it over in here. Wah. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah. Ah. Come on. There we go. All right. So, I took advantage of finally being able to get it. The Pride kombucha. Leave the knife out because it's so cute. Oh my god, the bottles are adorable. Yay. Kombucha. Brew Doctor Love. Lavender, chamomile, and jasmine green tea. Got 6 of those lovely kombuchas. And we got some baby bella mushrooms. A big, huge leaf lettuce. What is cosmetically wrong with this leaf lettuce? I don't know. Then, oh my gosh, these things are huge. Have you ever seen Roma tomatoes this big? Like literally, I've never seen Roma tomatoes this huge. Oh my gosh, that's just going to be amazing. And then, I think this is a grapefruit. I don't remember ordering it, but hey, it's in here. And it's stone fruit. Oh, look, another tomato. Holy bejeez. Oh my gosh. Those are the largest Roma tomatoes that I have ever laid eyes on. Okay, it's stone fruit season. So, I've got some nectarines and peaches. Do you know what the difference is? They're pretty much the same. The only difference between a peach and a nectarine is this one's got a fuzzy skin and this one doesn't. That is the only difference. Get some lemons. Citrus is importante. Okay, I had these a while back, so I got another bag of them. They're little petite red potatoes. They are so great. You can just chop them up in like halves or quarters and put them in the air fryer for like 20 minutes. So glorious. Got a couple avocados. Put those in a paper bag, ripen them up. Sweet potatoes. These are great. Boil them up. Oh, there's a stray leaf lettuce. Boil them up. Put them with some black beans. Make some tacos. Those were on my Instagram. And then, oh, one more sweet potato hiding in there. Little tendrils. Whoa. Pork chops. That's right. They are like all crate-free, vegetarian. They're like ethically treated pork products. Again, put a little seasoning on this, a little olive oil or marinated or something. I did mine with soy and teriyaki. Stick it in the air fryer for like 15 minutes. Oh, so perfection. So that is everything in my Imperfect Foods that I'm gonna be cooking ugly with. If you wanna cook imperfect or do some imperfect cooking or cooking ugly or whatever hashtag you want to use to describe your imperfect foods, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will give you $10 off your first box. Until then, keep cooking imperfect.